Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to contact the Zara support team. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the web browser and then in the address bar type in zara.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Zara website. Now if you haven't logged into your account already, you can click on the login button at the top right corner and proceed forward with your credentials. Once you are logged in and taken into the homepage, click on Help at the top right corner, which will take you into the Help menu. Just scroll down and click on the appropriate problem that you are having, in regards to which you wish to contact the support team. You will then be given the appropriate FAQ section. If you scroll down from this page, you will see the Contact Us button. Go ahead and click on it, and now you can choose the chat option at the top section in order to chat with the support team directly. Now just type in whatever issue you are having within the message box, and you can also click on the plus icon in order to add a picture to clarify. After typing in your message, just click on the send button at the right side and the support team will give you a response regarding your question right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to contact the Zara support team. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.